The last 3 years for me have been extraordinarily beautiful, extraordinarily hard. I have dealt more in the last 3 years and really hyper in the last 18 months. And I'm not a woe is me person. Like, life is fucking hard for everyone. Excuse my language. But it's been tough. Like in 3 years, I had a house burned to the ground. I've lost everything. I've obviously have a 4-year-old and a 1.5-year-old. So I brought a new child home. I started a new company. I raised $6 million in venture capital. I've fired people, rebuilt my team. I've had several family members pass away to illness. I've built a house or building life's coming at you. But like, one of the things that I deeply believe at this stage of my life, this is the only thing I actually feel that I have some clarity around, is that it takes a long time to understand what are you greedy for. Some people, they're incredibly greedy for money. Some people are very greedy for travel. Some people are very greedy for collectibles, whatever. I'm incredibly greedy to experience life. And if you really believe in that greed, if you really want to experience life, because I'm a firm believer that this is just such a magical thing to get to be alive, then you have to prepare yourself for a tremendous amount of pain, a lot of hardship, a lot of joy, a lot of love, a lot of sadness, a lot of happiness, some depression. And if you miss any of those things, then you didn't fully get to experience the human opportunity that our species is afforded. We're a very unique breed, right? Like, very few animals get to really feel all that. So when this is all happening, house burns down, it's like, you can rebuild a house. I also got to balance that out with bringing another baby home. No sleep. Well, someone once told me I wasn't going to have a baby. Raise money, super hard. Well, I also got turned down 50 times from my last company. I'm experiencing it. And I think that when you kind of just approach life in this just super simplistic way of just like, bring it on, let me feel it, let me have balance, don't skew it one way for too long, it becomes just so much more digestible.